Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So, what exactly is causing this P2649 code? Well, there are a few usual suspects. The number one cause, BLN is low or dirty engine oil. Your VTEC system is hydraulically operated, meaning it relies on oil pressure to work. If the oil level is low, or if the oil is old, thick, and sludgy, it can't create the pressure needed to activate the system. This is why the very first thing you should always do is check your oil level and its condition. Pull out that dipstick. Is the oil level between the two marks? Is the oil golden, brown, and clean? Or is it dark, black, and gritty? If it's low, top it up. If it's dirty, an oil change might just be the cheapest and easiest fix you'll ever do. It's responsible for telling the car's computer, the ECU, that there's enough oil pressure. And the computer throws the P2649 code. After checking the oil, your next step is to locate the VTEC solenoid. On most four-cylinder Hondas and Acuras, it's on the back of the cylinder head, near the passenger side. It's a metallic component with a couple of electrical connectors going to it. The first thing you can do is a simple visual inspection. Are the connectors untight? Is there any visible damage to the wiring? Sometimes a loose connection is all it takes. If that looks good, you can test the solenoid and the switch. For the solenoid, you can apply 12 volts directly to it with the engine off. Of course, and you should hear a distinct click. If it doesn't click, the solenoid is likely seized and needs replacement. To test the oil pressure switch, you'll need a motor. With the engine off and the key in the on position, unplug the switch's connector. You should have continuity, or very low resistance, between the switch's terminal and a ground point on the engine. Then, when you start the engine, the switch should open, and you should see no continuity. If it fails either of these tests, the switch is bad. Often, it's easier and more cost-effective to just replace the entire VTEC solenoid assembly, which comes with a new switch and new gasket. It's a pretty straightforward job for a DIyer with basic tools. Just unbolt the old one, clean the mounting surface on the head, and install the new one with its fresh gasket. In summary, when you see a P2649 code, don't immediately assume the worst. Start with the basics. 1. Check your engine oil level and condition. Change it if it's old or dirty. 2. Inspect the VTEC solenoid wiring and connectors. 3. Test the solenoid and the oil pressure switch for proper function. 9 times out of 10, one of these steps will solve your problem. It's almost always an oil-related issue, whether it's the level, the quality, or the flow being blocked at the solenoid screen. Replacing the whole solenoid assembly is a very common and effective repair. I hope this guide helps you get your Honda or Acura back on the road and running strong. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more car repair tips. Thanks for watching.